In this video, we will learn Class 7 Computer, Chapter 7, Computer Virus and Antivirus. Before going through this video, I want you to be with your textbook and pencil and make sure you mark the important points. This is the content of this chapter: history of computer virus, types of computer viruses, harmful effects of computer virus, how does computer virus spread, prevention of virus infection, antivirus software, scanning and deleting process, and updating process. Let's discuss the history of computer virus. A computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user's computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious action. Here, malicious means having an intention to cause harm to someone. The term computer virus was first formally defined by Fred Cohen in the year 1983 while he was performing academic experiments on a digital equipment corporation VAX system. The first computer viruses were developed in the early 1980s, and the ELK cloner is considered the first major computer virus outbreak in history. And the first PC virus was a Bootsector virus called brain virus, created in the year 1986 by two brothers Basit and Amjad Farooq Alvi while operating in Lahore, Pakistan. And in the year 1991 brought the GPI virus, which was network sensitive and attempt to steal novel netware passwords. Next we have types of computer viruses. All computer viruses do not infect the computer in the same way. There are several different categories of viruses and malware. The most common types of computer viruses are Bootsector viruses, program viruses, macroviruses, worms, Trojan horse. The first one is Bootsector viruses. It is one of the oldest known type of virus, and it become active at the time of booting the machine, and it affect the boot records of hard disks and floppy disks. Danish boot, stone virus, disk killers are some Bootsector viruses. Here booting is the process of starting the computer. Next is program viruses. Program viruses infect executable program files which have an extensions such as .exe, .com, .sys, etc. For example, if the file photoshop.exe becomes infected, the virus will be activated every time the user starts Photoshop. Cascade, Sunday, Alien.298, Acid Rain, Trojan are some program viruses. Next is macroviruses. Macroviruses is a computer virus that spread to other computers through software programs that utilize macros. Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel are two popular and widely used programs that are capable of executing macros. So this virus mostly infect Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel document. Next is worms. Worm is a standalone malware computer program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computer. It often uses a computer networks to spread itself, relying on security failure on the target computer to access it. Next is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a type of malicious code or software that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer. It is designed to damage, disrupt, steal, or inflict some other harmful action on your data or network. Next, we have harmful effects of computer virus. computer virus can cause harmful effects and infect data of computer in different ways. It can infect computer files, and if the computer files are once infected by computer virus, they cannot be opened again in the computer. And it can infect executable program files with an extension .exe, .com, .sys, etc. And then it might steal important information from your computer and send it to some other person. And then computer virus can slow down your computer. And then it can also corrupt your system file. And then it can make some programs faulty or corrupt. And then computer virus can display useless messages and frequent hanging of the system. And then it can damage your boot sector, creating problems when you boot into the Windows. Here, boot sector. Boot sector is an assigned section of storage drive containing the files required to start the operating system. Next, we have how does computer virus spread? How does computer virus spread? If we transfer infected data from one computer to another computer, it leads to spread of computer virus. And it can be spread through networking, through email, and then by exchanging pen drive, floppy drive, CD, and other sources. And then the virus become active when we start infected application and drives of computer system, and then they also cause problem and computer will be hacked. Next, we have prevention of virus infection. Computer viruses are very harmful programs that can easily enter in the computer without users' knowledge. But then we can prevent them. We can prevent the infection of virus through some precautionary steps. So the steps are: your computer should be equipped or installed with antivirus. And then you should always scan pen drive, floppy disks, or external devices before using them. And then you should not download or click unwanted programs and messages from the internet. Always use internet very carefully. And then you should not allow any users to access to your system. And then always fully scan the hard disks by antivirus twice a month. And then save important data programs on separate disks every day. Next, we have antivirus software. Antivirus software is a computer program which is designed to detect and remove viruses from the computer system and saves your data. Some popular antiviruses are Quick Heal Tool Security Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, AVG Antivirus, Norton Antivirus, F-Secure Antivirus, etc. Next, we have scanning and deleting process. Antivirus must be installed in your computer before scanning. And then let me tell you the steps how to scan. So the first step is open main window of antivirus by clicking on start, and then go to all programs and go to Guardian Net Secure, and then go to Guardian Net Secure icon. And then the step 2 will be click on the scan option. And then third, click on any option from the list that you want. And then in the fourth step, after completion, of scanning, it shows many results of statistics such as traits detected, files repaired, file quarantined, files deleted, input output errors, etc. And then scanning external devices. Scanning external devices. When you attach any external devices such as pen drive or other sources, Guardian Net Secure Antivirus immediately activates and starts scanning. If it is not displayed, open Computer and then right-click on the external device and then click on the scanning option. Next we have updating process. Updating process. We must always update antivirus frequently because a virus can enter in many ways in our computer and infect data and file. Nowadays, more viruses are developed and can fastly transmitted by internet. So there are some steps to update antivirus. So the steps are, firstly, and then before updating the antivirus, make sure you have an internet connection and then follow the steps. Step 1, open update window of antivirus by clicking on start all program and go to Guardian Net Secure Antivirus and then go to quick update icon. And then step 2 will be read the instructions and click on the next button. And then step 3 will be click on download from Guardian Internet Center checkbox. And then the fourth step, click on next button. And then the last step, click on finish button. After clicking the finish button, you will see every option is clicked by tick mark, and if any option appears with cross mark, it means your antivirus is not updated properly. So this is all about this chapter. So I will end up the video here. Thank you.